Hello everyone. Palmistry today topic is how to know the secret behind the marriage. Sometime it happened that after marriage we have doubt about the spouse or husband wife that he or she has any relationship. So this is the easy method that you can examine the his or her person hand in marriage line. If marriage line have any island like this in any side, not a both side, in any side, if there is any island, it indicate the secret behind the marriage or bad marriage. So today this is the topic. Thank you.